Welcome to the My Day 4 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. In today's video, I will show you what a healthy meal plan looks like when you're on a healthy lifestyle eating plan. It's practical, it's nourishing, and it's empowering. It's designed to help you reset your relationship with food, energize your body, and embrace a sustainable way of healthy living. Let's get into it. Breakfast is half a cup of oatmeal cooked in water, not milk or cream, and half a cup of canned or frozen peaches, unsweetened. 2 hard-boiled egg whites. Lunch is a salad. It can be 1 to 2 cups of mixed greens or spinach. Add chicken, broccoli, and peppers. You can use leftovers from last night's dinner. And don't forget a small piece of fruit. Snack time. 3 cups of air-popped popcorn. Dinner is grilled chicken burgers with onions and peppers. 1 whole wheat bun. For the burger, you're going to use 4 ounces of ground chicken. Add the onions and peppers. For a side dish, we have 1 cup of cauliflower mash and 1 cup of grilled asparagus. And remember, make extra burger patty for tomorrow's lunch. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.